And today we are going to explain about kinetic gas equation. We will explain why we need to study kinetic gas equation and what is kinetic gas equation. Well, kinetic gas equation connects the microscopic behavior of gas molecule to the macroscopic properties of gas such as pressure, volume and temperature. It is derived from the kinetic theory of gases and explains how the random motion of gas molecules results in measurable quantities like pressure. The kinetic gas equation is PV is equal to 1 over 3 nmv square, where P is the pressure exerted by the gas, V is the volume of the gas, N is the number of gas molecule, M is the mass of one gas molecule, and V square is the average of the square of the velocity of the gas molecules. Now let's explain each of these terms. Number one is pressure. Pressure is caused by gas molecules colliding with the walls of the container. Every time a molecule hits the wall, it exerts a force. The sum of these forces over a given area results in the gas pressure. Number two is volume. The volume is simply the space in which the gas molecules are moving. A larger volume means the molecules have more space to move around, which influences how often they collide with the wall. Number of molecules. More molecules means more collision with the wall, leading to higher pressure if all other factors remains constant. Mass of molecule. The mass of each gas molecule affects how much momentum it transfers during collision, influencing the overall pressure. Average square velocity. The speed at which the gas molecules are moving is crucial. Faster molecules hit the wall more frequently and with great force, increasing the pressure. This velocity depends on the temperature of the gas. Higher temperature leads to faster moving molecules.
This is enough for today and thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe EasyEdu for more videos.